In the morning, a little boy named Liam wakes up and checks his backpack. He remembers he has an English class today. Liam is excited because he loves learning new things. He takes out his notebook and writes down the first line. The sentence is, I wake up early every day. Liam understands that I is the subject pronoun, which tells who the sentence is about. He feels proud of his progress in grammar. Liam goes to school with his friend Zoe. She is also studying English. Zoe says, "You are smart today." Liam smiles and replies, "Thank you." He knows that you is the subject pronoun, showing who is speaking. He explains to Zoe that subject pronouns take the place of nouns in a sentence. She nods, understanding the concept. They walk into the classroom together, ready to learn. In the classroom, the teacher introduces the subject pronouns. She writes, "He is my friend," on the board. Then she changes it to, "He plays football well." Liam notices that, he replaces the name of the friend. He asks, "Why do we use he?" The teacher explains that he is used for male people, and it's a subject pronoun. The students listen carefully, repeating each example. Next, the teacher shows an example of she as a subject pronoun. She writes, "She loves to read." Then she says, "She reads for an hour every evening." Liam understands that she refers to a female person. He asks, "Can we use she for my sister?" The teacher smiles and says yes. They all practice using the pronoun with different names. The teacher then introduces it as a subject pronoun. She writes, "It is a cat." Then, "It purrs when it's happy." Liam raises his hand and asks, "What does it refer to?" The teacher explains that it is used for things or animals. She asks the students to think of an object. Everyone is excited and shares different ideas, like a toy or a robot. Liam and Zoe go to the gym after school. They see their friend Max, who is a strong boy. Max says, "We work out together every day." Liam wonders what "we" refers to. The teacher explains that "we" is used for a group including the speaker. Max adds, "We always have fun." Liam feels happy to be part of the group. They continue their workout routine. At the park, the teacher gives an example with they. She says, "They are playing football." Then, "They are enjoying the game." Zoe points out, "They" includes more than one person. Liam realizes that "they" is used for groups of people. The teacher nods and writes, "They go to the park every Saturday." The students practice using they in different sentences. Liam uses what he learned to write a short sentence. He writes, "I like to read books." He then adds, "She also likes reading." He explains that she refers to Zoe, and I refers to himself. The teacher praises him for his progress. She says, "You're doing great." Liam feels confident and proud of his work. He raises his hand to ask another question. The teacher asks the students to use the subject pronouns in a sentence about their family. Liam says, "My mom is a chef. She cooks delicious food." Zoe adds, "My dad is a teacher. He gives interesting lessons." The teacher listens carefully and says, "That's awesome." The students feel proud of their new knowledge and share more examples from their own lives. After class, Liam practices using the subject pronouns. He writes sentences about his pet dog, his friends, and his teacher. He says, "I feed my dog every morning." Then, he runs around the park. Next, "You play football with me." Finally, they all enjoy learning English. Liam feels accomplished and ready to face more challenges with grammar. The next day, Liam and Zoe go to the school library. There, they see a group of students working on a project. The teacher says, they are researching for a science report. Then, "We are helping them." Liam realizes, "we" includes the teacher and other students. Zoe adds, "He is writing the introduction." The teacher smiles and nods. They all share their new understanding of subject pronouns.